Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, bucket seats, MP3 playback stereo. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.